Yo, what is up guys? And for today's video is gagawa tayo ng content ng KRB, which is Kuroko Basketball Street Rivals. Ito ang bagong laro ngayon. Kakalabas ng laro lang nito nung March 11. So, let's start na! Let's go! 3, 2, 1. Jump ball. Pasa boy, pasa! Open! Mintes! Whoop! Block. Late ako dun Well. Pasa. Ito na! Boom! Yes, sir! Boom! Assist. Damn! Yung makuha ang bola. Bang! Pasa. Oops! Yes, sir! Bang! The copy. Kinapi yung kopya yung skill. Whoop! Whoop! Nagsana ko dun Yep. Oh! Ganda ng feed. Let's go. Up. Grabe moves na yung mini. Yup. No. Pasa. Bang. Grabe nito. What a move. Bang. One spin dunk. Naglag. Ay, nangyari dun. Natumba ako. No. Oops. Step back for 3. Not counted. Pasa ulit. Bang. Galing talaga tong mini. Yes, sir. Defense. Ganda ng moves. Shot pass. Oops. Mintes. Pasa dito. Bang! Tumba. Let's go. Hop. Uy. Shot pass naman. Di ma-block na kasama ko. Bang! Let's go! Whoops! Steal ka boy! San ka boy? Whoop! Pasa! Score mo na yan! Pasa! Yes, sir! Fade away! Dito. Oops! Yay! Naka-distance. Palagi kasi nagsisteal. Yan tuloy. Yes, sir. Let's go. Copy. Bang! Ganda talaga skill ni, Casey. Kahit anong skill mo, makakopya niya. Block! Di pa na block. Yan. Never mind. Whoop. GG. Good game.